Hey guys, this is Leo with Anytime Carpet and Floor Cleaning. I am here at a residential home in Tampa, Florida, and we have VCT, as you can see. And I'm just waiting for the floor to dry, so I figured I'll make a video for you guys. So I'm on step number 2. So first I stripped this floor down. It had, some dirt, scuff marks, all that good stuff. And so I stripped it down, and then now I'm on step number 2, which is neutralizing the floor and making sure I pick up all that stripper. Don't want anything left over. So right now it's just drying. You can see it's dried up there now, but this home here, I don't have the air conditioner running. They're remodeling it, so drying is going to be pretty fun. It's going to be about an hour and some change per coat. Hopefully less than that, but we'll see as I apply the first coat of wax. So my next step is going to be the wax. And guys, neutralizing is very, very important, because once I stripped everything down and I picked everything up, I went over it with the neutralizer and I noticed I missed some spots. I might have went over them, but the pad might have not picked it up, so I actually had to do it by hand. So anyway, I neutralized it. And then I noticed I did miss some spots. There were some scuff marks, and there was some glue from some of the VCT, and I picked all that up. So now we got a nice clean floor ready for wax. So as soon as it's dry, I'll apply some wax. We're gonna do 5 coats. 5 coats is minimum for residential for me. Sometimes I do a lot more than that, but I'll come right back once I start waxing. Alright, so I'm on the final step, which is the waxing, and this is coat number 4. Starting to get a really good shine. Got one more to go, and for this job I have a little bit of wax left over, so I might even do one more coat after the last one that I was going to do, just to give it that glass look. So almost done. Alright guys, well, this is the finished product, and if the customer wants, we can come back and burnish it, but it looks good. The floor is actually dry, so that's it.